soldering! For today's video, ang retest po namin ay Dispensing Controller Hanstar 982.
Good afternoon! Today, may umorder pong isang client ng manufacturing. So, in-order nila is yung Automatic Glue Dispenser Hanstar 982. So, iti-test lang po natin at i-check yung mga accessories before ipaship sa valued client. Hanstar 982 Dispenser Auto-loading dispensing controller. Features: uses air pressure to dispense a set amount of liquid at regular intervals. Controlled by timer. Time and volume can be adjusted easily. With 10 different size steel tips and 5 various plastic tips. Used to dispense different liquids such as glues, greases, solder paste.
The Automatic Liquid Dispenser Hanstar 982 is commonly used in laboratories and industries for precise and accurate dispensing of liquids. It helps in saving time and reducing human error by automating the process of dispensing liquids in controlled amounts. This device is particularly used for tasks that require repetitive dispensing of liquids, ensuring consistency and efficiency in various applications. The Hanstar 982 Automatic Liquid Dispenser is commonly used in various industries and laboratories including pharmaceutical industry for dispensing precise amount of reagents and chemicals in drug manufacturing processes, biotechnology labs for accurate dispensing of enzymes, buffers, and other liquids in DNA, sequencing, and protein analysis. Research laboratories for dispensing solutions in experiments and studies requiring precise volumes. Food and beverage industry for measuring and dispensing ingredients in food production processes. Environmental testing labs for precise dispensing of samples and reagents in water quality testing, environmental analysis. The Hanstar 982 Automatic Liquid Dispenser is beneficial in various applications within the pharmaceutical industry, including drug formulation, for accurately dispensing active pharmaceutical ingredients and excipients during the formulation process, quality control testing for precise dispensing of reagents and standards in analytical testing to ensure product quality and compliance, clinical research for dispensing precise volumes of test compounds and solutions in clinical trials and research studies, compounding pharmacies for measuring and dispensing ingredients in customized medication preparations, vaccine production for accurate dispensing of vaccine components during the manufacturing process to maintain consistency and efficacy. The Hanstar 982 Automatic Liquid Dispenser stands out in terms of efficiency and accuracy compared to other liquid dispenser for drug formulation due to the following reasons. Precision. The Hanstar 982 is known for its high level of accuracy in dispensing liquids, ensuring precise measurements and consistent formulations, which is crucial in the pharmaceutical industry. Automation. The device's automated features streamline the dispensing process, reducing the likelihood of errors and increasing overall efficiency in drug formulation tasks. Versatility. The Hanstar 982 offers versatility in dispensing various types of liquids and volumes, making it suitable for a wide range of drug formulation application. User-friendly interface. The device is designed with a user-friendly interface that simplifies operation and programming and has enhancing workflow and reducing the learning curve of operators. Overall, the Hanstar 982 is a reliable choice for pharmaceutical companies seeking efficient and accurate liquid dispensing solution for drug formulation processes. So ngayon po ay itetest na po natin ang ating dispensing controller Hanstar 982. So yan, naka-on na po siya at
So guys, may mga kasama siyang adapter assembly. And then guys, may kasama din siyang syringe barrel, taper nozzle, and then plastic needles. Ayan siya guys. And then guys, meron din siyang kasamang foot switch. And then meron din siyang kasamang hand switch. So guys, ayan ang aming dispensing controller automatic liquid dispenser Hanstar 982.
So, yun lang guys.
So please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account.
Thank you.
Thank you.